pickle juice, which apparently that's the secret to Chick-fil-A chicken. But I don't have money to be getting all this pickle juice. So saltwater brine, very simple. I'll show you guys how to do it. What I do for this is I just take coarse kosher salt, half a cup. I know you might think that you need to change the amount of salt based on the amount of pounds. I don't. And it works just fine each time. A half a cup into this cup here, which will go together with this mixer. So I'll just get it kind of started, but it won't completely dissolve, not resolve. But it won't completely dissolve until I put it in this larger pan and have more water to it, because that water will be too saturated with it. But let me get it started. So here, some of the salt is dissolving a little bit, but again, this is enough water to completely dissolve the salt. But I'll get it started here. Okay, that's plenty for now. I'll just put this in this bigger pan here. Bigger, let's call this thing. I can see that the salt isn't fully dissolved. What I'm going to do is get more water in there. So I'm going to do 2 packs today. Sometimes I've done as low as 1 pack. And again, I don't change the salt content. The salt content stays the same. It's always a half a cup. All right. So you guys how this go. So right now, I'm just grabbing the chicken, throwing it into the water, and I didn't put too much water in here yet because what I want to do is make sure the chicken's all in here, and then I'm going to just make sure the water completely covers all the chicken. So you guys can kind of see here. Just getting all the chicken down in here right now. So that's a half a cup of kosher salt. And then as far as the water goes, I don't really measure it. I just make sure that the chicken is completely covered and the salt has completely dissolved. So if that's pretty much that, what I'll do is I'll let this sit for about 2, maybe 4 hours, somewhere in there. Not a hard and fast, but I just let it sit and then I'll take it off. I don't rinse it off. What I do is I just put it in like some gallon Ziploc bags, throw my seasoning in there, let it sit overnight. And then from there, I cook it on the grill. Super simple. Best chicken I've ever had. Best chicken I've ever made. Give it a shot, guys. See you guys.
Be Nice Individuals Podcast.